Maybe I'm gonna show you. Ang hirap mag-isip kung anong sasabihin. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here in my brand new channel. So today we're going to talk about why did I got banned here in YouTube for a year. So before all of that, please do subscribe to this channel. If there's a small YouTuber out there, let's help each other. Ang buhay barko. Ang pinakaayaw ko lang naman is yung alon kasi ang hirap magtrabaho pag nahihilo tapos magtatrabaho ka, mahirap kumalaw. At yung iba, let's say tahimik na lang muna tayo, less talk, less mistake. And yes, naban ako sa YouTube for more than a year because there is a copyright strike about some music, and may 7 days silang palugit, kaso di ko nakita kasi nasa training ako before. That's why na permanently na-delete, na-disabled lahat ng videos and na-disable lang yung account. So yeah, hindi ko na siya nabalik. Kahit anong email ko sa kanila, wala na. So I think different ways how to get another account. Wait, nag-i-English ako. Pag ito pinanood ko tapos ma-awkward na naman ako Tagalog na. So, na-copyright ako kasi sa music ni TRISHA dahil pumasok na siya sa Itbulaga dati. Yung mga videos ko sa kanya before nung Miss Ilocos Norte pa siya, nakikipaglaban pa siya sa Miss Ilocos Norte, na-copyright na nung pumasok siya sa Itbulaga at sumikat na siya. So ayun, di ko nakita yung strike ng song, di ko nakita yung email ng YouTube for 7 days, more than 7 days, kaya natanggal. So that's basically the reason why I got banned on YouTube. I got disabled, my account was disabled. Plus, may natira sa AdSense, may natira pang pera dun. Sayang, hindi na mailalabas. Mimiya, drink your water, bits. The fun part of being in this job is I get to travel for free and I get to see different places, meet different people, and that's the fun part. That's why I named this YouTube channel Go Shore, because they call it, pag lalabas ka, they call it Go Shore. But now I'm back. I have a lot of videos to post, scheduled videos. Some of it, since I left the Philippines, got deleted, so I was so upset that day. Na virus kasi yung ginamit kong laptop, so delete lahat. So expect more videos in different countries soon. I have a unboxing stuff to do para mapaganda yung video quality or video cinematography of my videos. So stay tuned. So guys, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends. More stuff coming for sure. So guys, quick room tour. Hindi ko pa ito napapakita kahit kanino. Just only kay Munay. So this is my room. It's a small one. Obviously. Here. It's Baby Mac. Say hi to Baby Mac. And that's the ref magnet of Mama. Mga pabili niya. Kala mo may binigay na pera. Wala naman. So nilagay ko lang dyan yan para hindi matakpan. Just a quick room tour. So yeah, that's it. That's my setup. My tripod. That's it. Subscribe guys.